All right, what do you think? DSUM, right? You don't have to filter, you don't have to do anything else to the list. Function does it all for you. Now let's take the DSUM even a step further. Right now, we've got a single bit of criteria. We're summing up the total sales column where the category column is equal to rent. Well, what if you wanted to do, I want to get a sum of the category for rent, or I want to get it for overhead. So give me rent sum including overhead. This is what's called an OR statement. We're looking for multiple criteria, my cursor, multiple criteria in a single column. Sum up where category is equal to rent or it's equal to software, something like that. Well, this is really easy to do with this DSUM function. Take a look. So I've already created the function. There it is. If I give that a double click, it'll open up the actual function for me. And you recall this last portion right here, I2 to I3, is our criteria. It includes the header and it includes the single set or single bit of criteria that we've added, rent. That's it. I'm going to hit my enter key just to close that out. So what I want now is I want rent or software. So right below rent, I'm going to put in software. So now I'm going to go back to my formula, and just to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to click on that cell, and then I'm going to hit the little FX button. This should open up my argument window. And my criteria is the only thing that's going to change. I want to go from I2 to I4 because I want to include both rent or software. So I'm going to change that from I3 to I4. I'll hit OK. And I've now got both of those categories in that total sum of total sales. So what is that? 88,375 is the total for both rent or software. Got both of them in there. So this is called an OR statement. This happens when you have multiple criteria on a single column. You have the column header at the top. You got your criteria down below in adjacent cells. Try this one out. OR criteria inside of your DSUM.